In this tutorial, we are going to build a live weather Chrome extension from scratch. This extension will fetch real-time weather data based on your location and display it right in your browser. Perfect for beginners and a great way to learn how Chrome extension work. Let's dive in. Let's start it by setting up our project folder. Create a new folder that is called Chrome extension and create. So we are using white plus React, and with the white we are using React template. So let's create our application. Let's name our project to live weather extension. And here you can see we have used React template. Press enter to create the project. Let's wait for it. As we can see, our project is installed, and let's open it on localhost 5173. We can see it is working fine with white and React. Let's go back to our code. Open it in VS Code editor. So let's open. Here is our project structure. We can see public folder, SRCs. In SRC, there is assets and app.jsx, main.jsx file. Also, index.cxs file is here. First, we need to create a manifest.json file. The manifest.json file tells Chrome everything it needs to know about our extension. So let's create it. Name it manifest.json. So let's open developer guide from the Chrome side. In manifest.json, we required some parameters like name, descriptions, version, also the permission which we required for. So let's create a manifest.json file. First, we need a manifest version. So we will keep it to 3. Name of our application, live weather extension. Version we will keep to 1. Then we require descriptions. So we create descriptions like a browser extension, take provide live weather updates. For the permission, we will require storage and geolocation. In the actions, we require some file naming, like what will be the default pop-up. So in our case, index.html will be default pop-up. And for the icons, we also required some icons to show in our extension. So here is the icon. We will replace it with the real one. So that's it for the manifest.json file. Discuss like we need to add some icons for our app. So we just need to go to the public folder, create a folder, just icons, and add icons here. So we need the file icon file size like 48 by 48, 16 by 16, and 120 by 128 pixel. So I have just uploaded here, and we will just see our manifest file where we required some icons, which is icon 16, 48, and 128. So I have just uploaded here as well, so that at the time of our build we can get those icon in the build as well, and it will shows on our extension. So I have just uploaded this, and I want to let you know about the components which I have created. So I have created weather.jsx. Let me show you. So I have created this component which is called weather, and I have added all the required HTML elements so which use in our project to shows the UI. Also I have created weather.css file for its CSS related, and I have added this into our JS weather. So this one we have created. Let's just create a simple build of this project, and let me show how we can deploy this to extension and run locally. So for this build, you need to run command npm run build. Let's wait for it. As we can see, build is completed. We now need to go to the extension now. So let's open our browser and here find extension tab. Click on the extension tab, go to the manage extensions. In the manage extensions, you will see the developer mode enabled button. For you it will be disabled, but I have already enabled it, so it shows me enable. For you it will be disabled like this, so you just need to enable it. Once you enable, you can see all the options here, and you need to go to first option, which is load unpacked. Click here, go to your project directory and select the disk folder where you have created your build for your React applications. So just click on this folder and upload this folder. You can see the extension is loaded. Also, you can try to refresh it. And in our case, we can see that icon, which is live weather icon. And if we see this UI, we can see all the data related to weather. So at the first load, we have by default added New Delhi location, but you can also add your location as a first load. And we can also change the location to get the weather data. So let's change the city name and search for it. So we can see the indoor location data and all the related weather data also. So this was like our weather applications we have just created with React.js. So it's very simple. You can also try to create your own extension in which you want to perform any actions and something you want to add some script, inject a script in. If you found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.